So today I will be teaching you how to create this particular edit. Like, this is one of the trending edit right now for every content creator to advertise your product, to review your product. You can review shoes, clothes, skincare products, any kind of product that you want to review. So yeah, guys, just watch this and see. I wanted to tell you guys about this certain product, but I don't know how to show you guys this product. What's that? So this is actually one very beautiful edit that everybody likes, and I see lots of questions, people asking how to do this, how can I do this, how can I achieve this edit. Today I will be teaching you how to achieve this edit. So today is our day 29 of our free 30 days editing lessons. 29 guys, 29, which means tomorrow is the last day. Oh my god. So if you've not learned anything from this, my editing, from these free editing lessons, my dear, you're on your own. Okay, so today is the 29th, and again, please do not forget to comment if there's a particular edit that you want me to teach you. Comment in the comment section and ask me how to teach you, and I will do a video to teach you that particular edit. But today I will be teaching you this, so the gigantic product review effect. That is how I call it. I don't know how others call it, but that is how I call it. So yeah, let's go. Let me show you how to do this, how to record it, and then how to edit it. Okay, it's very, very simple. Trust me, super simple. Let's go. Let's watch till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share to your village people, and don't forget to comment. For those of you commenting on my video when you've not watched, small thunder go fire you. So you better watch it till the end before you comment and like. Thank you. So guys, you open your CapCut app like this, then you click on the plus button, then you bring in the video you recorded. So let me show you how you record your video. Let me mute. So watch my recording. Okay, this is how you record your video first. So see my reaction. Okay, so yeah, you need to make all that movements, those movements or those reactions. I don't know how you guys put them, but yeah, so these are the reactions you make, and this is how you record your video. Okay, especially if you want to talk about the product. This is me talking about the product and pointing on the side and all that. Now when you're done recording your video, you come here where you started looking up, which means the from there. Okay, like that, you click there and you click on overlay, and then you go to your photos, you take a picture of your product. So this is a picture of my product, and you click like that. So you have this product like so. Okay, measure this product like this. Okay, so you see me and the product almost same size, but I want it to be gigantic. Okay, let's make it gigantic. So yeah, like that. Okay, you see that? Yeah, so when you have this, what you need to do is so this is where the products start coming down, like anyways, my reaction is just crazy. So what I'll need to do is I'll click here. The product is already here. I'll click here and I click the back keyframe, then I come here and click the front keyframe, then I push it off the screen. Okay, and now let's see how it goes. Just where my head. Okay, so you see that? Now I'll drag it to the end of my video. Now what we need to do is, first thing first, what attracts me to look up is the sound, which means we need to add the sound here. So let's go here and add in sound. That's gonna be magical, I think. No, I want let's go to transition sound. No, okay, that. Okay, I'll put this sound first. I'll put this. I'll come here. When I put this sound, I'll come back here. Wait, let's reduce the sound first. You all know we need to reduce the sound to an extent. Okay, reduce the sound. Then in front of this sound, I'll add another sound, because I want that frightful sound first, like the VUP sound first. No, that's not that one. Okay, this first one, we'll click on it. So we'll have this like, so you see, the first sound actually brought my attention, you know. And when you're done, if you want it to be like this place here, when it's already on the floor, you need to look for like shadow, something like shadow, any black image, making it like a shadow kind of, I don't know. So I'll just swap if I have any black image, or I need to create something. I don't know. Let me see. Let me take this cap and see if I can use it. You need to put, I did not download that, or I was supposed to, but I did not. So let me see if I can use this. Yeah, something like that. Okay. So that I can use this. Okay. So I'll bring it down and put it down, just down there like a shadow. You all know the floor always have a shadow, so this is what you do down here. Wait, let me open this cap itself. I'll crop it and make it smaller, okay, because it's big. So I need to just use this end. I just want to use this small part. Yeah, that part like that. So I'll bring this place here, fix it down there, and just put it like that. Yes, give it that shadow for it to show that it's actually standing on the floor. So yeah, guys, these are tips nobody will be giving you, okay? These tips are given to you by Wokobuchi. So you see that now? It looks original now. Let's see. Okay, we draw the shadow in front where it landed. Yeah, like that. So there you go. So you see that it looks original, like, so this is how you can create this video and advertise your product and all that, and it looks beautiful, you know. So yeah, tell me if you'll be trying this edit or not. So yeah, guys, that's it, and that's how beautiful it looks. Ciao ciao, bye, and thank you for watching. So yeah, click and export your video. Just come here and export your video, and after exporting your video is good to go. Like, after exporting your video and everything is good